Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up a Zoom meeting in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then you can navigate to the All Apps here in the left side menu. And then you can go to Customer Hub and you will find Appointments. So you can click on it and then you can see all of your scheduled appointments. So I only have one here. And if you want to create new one, you can just click this one to create new one, schedule appointment, and you have to choose this one, video call. So it will be a video call or a Zoom meeting, something like that. Then you can choose the customer. I'm gonna choose maybe cool cars and click next. After that, you can choose this date. I'm gonna choose random and click next. And then you can add the appointment details. Let's say uh, talking about cars, just for example, and click schedule appointment. And then as you can see, it's scheduled to call cool cars. And then you can just click three dots, I mean the exit menu here. And then as you can see, these are my appointments, Zoom video call appointments. So let's say let's say the date is today, and I want to join or, join the meeting. I'm gonna click this icon here, join, and then you will be redirected to the video call meeting from QuickBooks. You can just choose the username. I'm gonna choose this one, click continue. And then you can just choose the your speaker and microphone. I'm gonna just click continue and you can set it up if you want to turn on the video or turn it off. It's up to you and you can click continue. And then you will be in this app. It's from QuickBooks, so you don't need other third party like Zoom or Google Meet. So let's say you already done the meeting, you can just click leave here and can give a rate and yeah. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.